Bye, madam. In sir. Hi, good evening, students. This is Venkatesh. I am your chemistry faculty. In the last session, we have learnt about what are isotopes, isobars, isotones, isodiaphers, and how to calculate the total number of fundamental particles present in an atom. Today, I am going to give you a lecture about language of chemistry. In this language of chemistry, we should be learn about symbols. So, what is the symbol? Generally, symbol is a shortest form of an element. It is a shortest form of an element. For suppose if you take carbon element, you should take that one. This symbol is indicated by C. Nitrogen, you should take that one. Symbol is N. So, symbols are the shortest form of element. What the symbol is indicates. What is the use of symbol? Symbol, what it will be indicates. Generally, symbol indicates atom of an element, or element itself. It indicates atom of an element or element itself. For suppose I take that here, nitrogen symbol I have to written here. What you have to understand, this is nitrogen atom. This indicates as nitrogen atom, and it also explains the atomic mass of an element. Nitrogen atomic mass how much, Nana? 14 AMU. So if you take any symbol of an element, it indicates atom of an element and its atomic mass. This is the significance of symbol. For suppose carbon element given. Carbon. What is? This is the carbon. If you take a carbon element, we can simply write a carbon means symbol what is? C. What can you understand here? Carbon is an atom of carbon, or this atomic mass how much? 12 AMU. So whenever symbol will be given, immediately in your brain what it will be arises, what it will be strikes? Element name will be strikes. For suppose oxygen, immediately you have to write this symbol, because whenever element name has given, in your mind what it will be strike? Symbols. Understood or not, Anna? So symbol is the shortest form of an element. Symbol is the shortest form of an element. And what is the significance of symbol? Symbol significance is it indicates atom of an element or element itself. For suppose nitrogen element, I have write symbol what is? N. It indicates what is? This is the nitrogen atom, and it indicates this mass is atomic mass is 14 AMU. Here you should take that some symbols and their names how to given, and some symbols and their names how it will be given. I will explain here. According to Berzelius scientist, he has given the names of symbols. Here what it is. For suppose if you take carbon, the first letter what Nana? Here C. So first letter name of the element is considered as a symbol, carbon. For suppose if you take hydrogen, first name what it is? H. Oxygen, first name what it is? First letter what it is? O. Hydrogen H. Carbon C. So oxygen is the letter. Some symbols, some name of the elements you should observe that. Some name of the elements like this. Here have you look at the table. Here given carbon, symbol is C. Copper, its first letter is C, but this symbol is Cu. Why this symbol is Cu given? Because this symbol name is derived from Latin name. This Latin name is this is derived from Latin name cuprum. Cuprum. So first letter is C. We had already used C for carbon. Second letter what it is? U. So that's why copper is derived from the name, from where it is? Latin name cuprum. Accordingly English name, this is copper, but this is non-English name. It is derived from Latin name cuprum. We can simply called Cu. We are called according to English name copper. If you take another one for better understanding here, you should observe cobalt, and chromium. Cobalt, actually this symbol is CO. This is derived from Latin name. What this Latin name is? Cobaltum. So actually this element name is cobalt, English name, but this element CO, here you should observe that derived from the Latin name. What the Latin name is? Cobaltum. First letter is C, second letter is O, but I didn't use the word C because C had already given to carbon. That's why CO means cobalt. And if you take here chromium, if you take the element is chromium, this is Cr. Actually this is derived from Greek letter, Greek. So what is that Greek? It is called chrome. This is called chrome. So this one, that's chrome. So chromium, Cr. Second letter, or you should take the prominent letter. Either you should take second letter or prominent letter. Here C, after H will be there. After the third letter R will be there. Prominent letter will be taken. What it is? Cr. That means the name of the elements, whenever you should write the symbols, first of all you should take first letter. After that you should give the second letter. After that you should give the any prominent letter. Sometimes symbols, how to write that one means it is derived from the Latin words, Greek words, Persian words. Have you understood, Nana? Here given carbon, the first letter what it is? Here observe that carbon, the first letter is the carbon, first letter is C. Copper, here there is no U will be there, C will be there. There is no in the U in the English name. But in the non-English name you should take that one Latin word. What is? Cuprum. From this word we can derive what is? Copper. Cu. First number is C, second letter is U. Cu. Sometimes it is not possible to take second letter. Any prominent letter in that word we should be considered. Here cobalt will be there. First letter always capital letter. First letter whenever it will be there, that is capital. Second letter is a small letter. So here first letter is C. This is the derived from Latin word. What it is the Latin word? Cobaltum. So actually this name is Latin name cobaltum. First letter is C, here written. Second letter is O, CO. And calcium, this is derived from the Latin words calx. In the calx first letter is C, second letter is A. So first letter always capital letter, second letter always should be small letter. Don't forget that one. And after that, after the completion of chromium, here it is derived from the Greek word. What is chrome? First letter is C, but second letter is H. After that taken R. It is, if you take the prominent letter here, Cr, chromium. So this name is carbon, indicated by the symbol C. Copper indicated the symbol Cu. Cobalt indicated the symbol Co. Calcium is indicated as Ca. Here chromium is indicated as a Cr. These are symbols which is derived from the non-English names like Latin names, some Greek names. If you take here, observe that potassium. In the potassium, P will be there, but here what will be given? K. How it will be given? K? Because this is derived from the Greek letter. What the Greek letter is? Kalium. In the kalium first letter what? K. So that's why it is given the name K. Understood or not? If you take hydrogen, first letter is given H. Oxygen, first letter will be given O. Nitrogen, first letter will be given N. But in these cases, here potassium is first letter P or second letter is O. P does not given, O does not given. What is the mention here? Symbol is K. How it will become K? Because this symbol is derived from the Greek word. What that word is? Kalium. In the kalium first letter is K. So K represents in English name potassium. After that krypton. This krypton is derived from the Greek letter or Greek word. What is? Kryptos. Kryptos first letter K. But K had already given the name potassium. That's why we have taken second letter. What is? R. Kr. Because first letter has given to the name of potassium. That's why we must be taken second letter is what will be there? R. Kr. Here you should focus here. First letter is always capital letter. That's why capital K. Second letter is a small letter. This is indicate atom of element. And after that these three you should observe. What are these three? If you take these three, antimony, tin and silicon. Antimony, A will be there, N will be there, but symbol what will be there? Sb. Here tin, T will be there, I will be there, but symbol what will be given? Sn. Here silicon, Si will be there. Here antimony and tin you should observe that these two are derived from the Latin words. What their Latin words? Sb is called stibium. It is derived from the name of stibium. Sn, stannum. In the first letter S, sometimes it will be taken second letter or any prominent letter. Here prominent letter what will be taken? B will be taken here. So S, B. This is stibium. Now we are called as according to English name antimony. Antimony actually that symbol is Sb. It is derived from the Latin word. What the Latin name is? Stibium. We are simply said Sb. Tin. English name is tin, but non-English name is stannum, because this word is derived from the Latin word. This is S and prominent letter is N. Sn. Sn is tin. But if you observe that this name Ti and tin will be there, we expect that the first letter T will be there or I will be there, second letter Ti or T, but which is derived from the Latin word stannum, non-English name. From this symbol is Sn, but when you read this one, tin, but symbol is Sn. How to give Sn? It is derived from the Latin word stannum. After that Si, it is derived from the Latin word silex. Silex, first letter is S, second letter is I. So Si is nothing but silicon. Have you understood or not? It is derived from the non-English names like Latin, Greek, Prussian. The type of non-English names will be given. So I hope that you could understand this one. Very easy concept. Just you should be put the concentration here. And you should observe that here English names will be given. Elements with symbols based on non-English names. Based on non-English names. I had already given these examples. Antimony. Antimony symbol what? SB. First letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter. But this SB is derived from the which one? Latin word. What that Latin word is? Stibium. In the stibium, first letter is S, second letter is taken as a prominent letter B, in the middle one, SB. So antimony symbol is SB. This is also called stibium. Why it is stibium? It is derived from the Latin word. Copper, you should take that one. Copper symbol is Cu, but there is no U in the English name. Copper, COPPER, there is no U. But how to comes here U? Because this symbol is derived from the Latin word. What it is? Cuprum. What it is? Cuprum. First letter is what it is? C. Second letter is U. Cu. That is nothing but cuprum. First letter C, second letter U. If you take, we are called gold. We know that in ornaments and jewelries containing gold. In gold, if you take, it is first letter A, second letter U. But in the spelling of gold, there is no A, there is no U. But how to write this one? Because this is also derived from the Latin word. What it is? Aurum. What it is? Aurum. Aurum. First letter what on A, second letter what on U. So first of all, you should put the focus on first letter, name of the element. After that, you should observe the second letter. After that, you have to focus on any prominent letter, what it will be mentioned. Right? After that, iron will be there. Iron needles. We know that iron objects. But that symbol is Fe. There is no F and there is no E. Does not mentioned in the English name. But the symbol is Fe. How to write this one? This is also same thing. This is the Latin word. It is derived. This symbol is derived from Latin word. What is? Ferrum. What is? Fe stands for ferrum. First letter what on F. Second letter what on E. Fe. First letter is always capital letter. Second letter is always small letter. After that, lead. But there is no P appeared here. Because in this symbol PB will be there. There is no P, there is no B in the English name of the lead. But how it will becomes? Because it is derived from the Latin word. What the Latin word? This is plumbum. What is? Plumbum. Plumbum first letter what it is? P. Prominent letter is taken here B. PB. Plumbum. We are called according to English name lead. But actually that name is plumbum. Symbol is PB. If you take mercury, we know that the only one metal which is available in liquid state at room temperature, that is mercury. So mercury you have taken, this symbol is Hg, but there is no H and there is no G in that English word. But how to come this one? Because it is derived from the Greek letter hydrogyrum. What is? Hydrogyrum. Hydrogyrum. In this one, how to take here? First letter is H and prominent letter is G. So Hg. This is derived from which one? Greek letter. This is derived from Greek letter. In the same manner, if you observe that potassium, in that word there is no K appeared, because in the potassium POTASSIUM will be there, but there is no K. But how to write this one K? Because this is also derived from the Latin word kalium. In the kalium, first letter what on? K. That's why here mentioned K. But we expected potassium means P or PO. But what it will be there? K. How it will be that? How it will be given that symbol K? Because this is derived from the Latin word kalium. In the kalium spelling, first letter is K. That's why that is indicates potassium. After that, silver. But the symbol is Ag. Again, it is also derived from Latin word. What is? Argentinum. In the argentinum, first letter what on A. Any prominent letter what it is here taken? Here prominent letter, third letter is taken as a G. Ag. In the Ag, first letter always should be capital letter. Second letter is indicates as a small letter. After that, sodium. In the spelling of sodium, there is no N and there is no A, but symbol is Na. How it will becomes? Here also same formula. It is derived from the Latin word natrium. What is? Natrium. In that natrium, first letter what no? First letter is N, second letter is A. Because only N right means nitrogen. That's why taken second letter is A, sodium. After that, tin. But there is no S, there is no N, there is no S in the word. But symbol is Sn. How it will be written this SN? Because this is also derived from the Latin word sternum. In this sternum, first letter is S, prominent letter is N, S, N. We are, according to English name, we have to call this one tin, but non-English name is sternum. Symbol is SN. So here observe that symbols based on non-English names. Few symbols like that: antimony, copper, gold, iron, lead, mercury, potassium, silver, sodium, tin. This type of few names of the elements and its symbols which is depend upon the non-English names. I hope that you could understand this concept. After that, name of the some elements, the first letter of its English name is used as a symbol. To represent that element in the short form, only capital letters are used. Very simple concept this is. Here take that. In this one elements, hydrogen first letter what na? H. That's why symbol is capital letter H. First letters is given capital letter C. Carbon starts from C. That's why it is indicated as C. Nitrogen first letter is N. All are capital letters. First letter should be capital. In the oxygen, first letter is O. That's why this symbol is O. In the fluorine, first letter is F. That's why this symbol is F. In the sulfur, first letter is S. That's why it indicates symbol S. Boron, first letter is B. That's why it indicates symbol is B. Phosphorus, first letter is P. That's why symbol also P. Iodine, first letter is I. That's why symbol also I. Here you should take that one. Sulfur, silicon. Sulfur, first letter, name of the first letter S. Here silicon, you should take that one. First letter S. Already S, what will be there? Sulfur. That's why we should be taken I. Silicon. Understood, Nana? So sometimes it will be depend upon a third letter or fourth letter, any prominent letter, whenever you have to write the symbols. Whenever you have to write the symbols. So in this case, what we have to write that one? You should observe that elements, the first letter of its English names is used as a symbol to represent that element in the short form. Only capital letters are used. In the hydrogen or carbon or nitrogen or oxygen, in that one the first letter is considered as a symbol of these elements. After that, you should take this. When the names of the two elements starts with same letter, the second letter or prominent letter is added to the first letter. When the two letters are used, the first letter is in capital and second letter is always small one. I had already told you here. Carbon, you should take that one. First letter what it is? C. In the calcium, already first letter what is? C. C stands for carbon, but it is a different element. So calcium, second letter what it is? A. So first of all, you have to give the order of priority first letter. After that, second letter. After that, any prominent letter. In the cadmium, here first letter what Nana? C. C means carbon. Second letter you should be considered Ca. Calcium is over. That's why we have to take an CD, third letter. CD indicates cadmium. If you take chlorine, first letter is C. That's why C. But after that, it will be taken L. Here, third letter, prominent letter is taken, that is C, L. But all are starts from the word C, the letter C. Carbon you should take in first letter is C. Calcium taken first letter is C. Cadmium taken first letter is C. Chlorine is taken first letter C. But after that, what we have to take in that? Here we should take in that second letter. After that, third letter. After that, any prominent letter, symbols of the elements will be given. In the same manner, if you take phosphorus as well as platinum, palladium. Phosphorus first letter what na? P. That's why phosphorus symbol is P. In the platinum, first letter is P, but second letter does not given L. T will be given. Here T is the prominent letter. So PT is indicated as platinum. Palladium, first letter is P. After that, prominent letter will be given D. PD, that is palladium. So first letter all are capital letters, but whenever you should write the second letter, that is the small letter. And in the same manner you should take very beautiful examples: boron, barium, bromine, beryllium. If you take this example, you can easily understand this concept. Boron, first letter what Anna? B. I had already mentioned B. That's why whenever I have written B, you can able to understand what is boron. Now another element will becomes barium. First letter B will be there, B. But whenever I have written the B, you could understand what is boron. That's why second letter you should take. What is A? Barium. BA stands for barium. After this element bromine, what is the symbol? First letter what Anna? B. First letter always capital letter. Second letter what will be there Anna? R. B, R, bromine. After that you should take beryllium. First letter what Anna? B. Second letter. After that completion of first letter, we should focus on second letter. Where the prominent letters will be there, that symbols you must be remember. You need to remember that elements, symbols, where the prominent letters are there. Otherwise, like boron, barium, bromine, beryllium, you should take the second letter. Bromine, Br. Beryllium, first letter is B, second letter is E. In this manner, you have to understand that second letter always kept in small letters. But first letters always capital letters. First letters are always capital letters. Whenever you should write second letter, that must be kept in small letters. And if you take another slide, here have you look at once. Some elements are named after the names of the scientists. Scientist names has given to the certain elements. What that elements? If you take one element will be there, curium. This element name is curium. This name, how to give that one? From the scientist name has given. What that scientist name? Madame Curie. Madame Curie. From the scientist name, we have to write the symbol Cm. That element name is curium, but it is taken from the scientist name Curie, Madame Curie. And after that we know that very popular scientist Albert Einstein. So from this name one element has taken, that is Einsteinium. It indicates the symbol Es. Here you should observe first letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter. And fermium, it is derived from the scientist name Fermi, Enrico Fermi. This symbol is Fm. Fm is Fermi. This is derived from the scientist name Fermi. After that Nobel, Alfred Nobel. He has prepared the dynamite. It is very explosive material. Alfred Nobel, from this scientist name has given the symbol NO. NO stands for element name is nobelium. But this name, how to give that one? It is derived from the scientist name Alfred Nobel. Mendeleev. So Mendeleev is the very popular scientist. From this scientist name, one element name will be given, that is Mendelevium. That symbol is Md. So that means, how can you understand here? Some elements names will be based on which one? Scientist names, like Curie, Einstein, Fermi, Nobel, Mendeleev. Here Madame Curie, from that one element name is given curium. Einstein, Einsteinium element will be given that name. Fermium, Fermium will be given. Alfred Nobel, Nobelium element name will be given. Mendeleev, Mendelevium element will be given. Their symbols are curium means Em, Einsteinium means Es, Fm means fermium, NO, nobelium, Md, Mendelevium. In these cases, first letter should be capital letters, second letter should be small letters. And after that, here, some elements are named after the names of some elements names are named after the names of countries and laboratories. Here observe that Californium, This element name which is derived from University of California, which is present in America, California. So this is the University of California. By basing on that one, Californium element will be given. This Californium is CF. Here first letter is capital letter, second letter should be small letter. And another one, we know that Poland country. By basing on that one, element name will be given polonium. Polonium, which is derived from where it is? Poland country. America, from this country name has given, by basing on this country, one element name will be given. That element name is americium. We are shortly form symbol is AM, because shortest form of an element, that is nothing but symbol. Americium shortest form is AM. After that, Russia, we know that. From this one country, one element name will be given ruthenium. So first letter should be capital letter R, second letter will be small letter U. Ruthenium, this symbol of an element which is derived from the country, what it is? Russia. After that, what will be there? Germany. This Germany is a country. From this one we have to take an derived the element germanium. So in the germanium, first letter should be G, second letter should be what it is? E. So in these symbols of element, you should take an or berkelium or californium or polonium or americium or ruthenium or germanium. These names which will be taken from countries like University of California, Poland, America, Russia, Germany. And laboratories, not only countries but laboratories also. City of Berkeley, University of California, these are the laboratories. From that one also, what will be taken? Symbol of the elements. All these are countries like Poland, America, Russia, Germany, which are the laboratories. University of California, City of Berkeley. From these countries, from these laboratories, element symbols will be derived. After that, some elements are named after the names of the planets. Planets names also, based on the planets names, symbol of the elements has to be mentioned. What it is? Uranus, it is the planet. Neptune, we know that planet. Pluto, planet. From that ones, from basing on that one, elements names has been mentioned. What it is? Uranus. From this planet, one element name has given uranium. This one symbol is U. How to take this one? Because it is derived from the planet of Uranus. Neptunium, this element name, how its symbol is NP. First letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter. How it will be taken? Because it is derived from the Neptune. It is the planet. And Pluto, from this one element has been taken. What is? Plutonium. This symbol is Pu. Here observe that elements are named after the names of the planets. So planets names also taken and given the certain elements, treated like a symbols. And after that, we will take few elements, their atomic numbers as well as atomic weights. If you take hydrogen, hydrogen atomic number is 1. That means atomic number is 1 means 1 proton and 1 electron. So atomic number, how it will be defined? Number of protons present inside the nucleus is exactly equal to number of electrons revolves around the nucleus. Atomic number 1, how could you understand this? 1 proton present inside the nucleus, 1 electron always revolves around the nucleus. That's why atomic number 1, that's why 1 proton will be there, 1 electron will be there. Atomic mass, in the last session I had explained this one, atomic mass, how to calculate it and how to take this one. So hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Helium atomic number is 2, but atomic mass or atomic weight is 4. Lithium atomic number 3, but atomic mass or atomic weight is 7. Beryllium atomic number 4, atomic mass is 9. Boron atomic number, Z value is 5. That means 5 protons present inside the nucleus, 5 electrons are always revolves around the nucleus. This mass number or atomic mass, how much? 11. Carbon atomic number 6, but atomic mass is 12. Almost double this value. Nitrogen atomic number 7, 14. Atomic mass is 14. Oxygen atomic number 8, atomic mass is 16. Fluorine atomic number 9, atomic mass is 19. Neon atomic number 10, atomic mass is, or atomic mass or atomic weight or mass number is 20. So hydrogen symbol we know that what it is, H. Helium symbol already H we have written, so second letter you should take E, helium. Lithium symbol is Li. Beryllium symbol Be, only B right means boron, second letter you should take E, beryllium. Boron symbol is, I had already told you, B. Carbon first letter C, it is the symbol. Nitrogen symbol is N. Oxygen symbol is O. Fluorine symbol is F. Neon symbol is first letter N. Whenever N write that one, that is nitrogen. That's why we have to take second letter is E, neon. And if you take that one, sodium, atomic number is 11, atomic mass or atomic weight is 23. After that, magnesium, atomic number is 12, atomic weight is 24. After that, aluminum, atomic number 13, atomic mass is 27. Silicon, atomic number 14, atomic mass is 28, almost doubled. Phosphorus, atomic number is 15, atomic mass is 31. Sulfur, atomic number is 16 and atomic mass is 32. Chlorine, atomic number is 17, atomic mass is 35.5. Argon, atomic number 18, atomic mass is 40. Potassium, atomic number is 19, atomic mass is 39. Calcium, atomic number 20, atomic mass is 40. I had already written that symbols. Sodium symbol, because in the case of sodium first letter is S, second letter is O, maybe this letter symbol is S or SO, but it is derived from the Latin word what is natrium. So sodium, the symbol is derived from the Latin word natrium. So in the natrium, first letter is N. N, when did you write, that is considered as a nitrogen. That's why second letter you should focus on Na. Na stands for natrium. According to English name is sodium. Non-English name is natrium, which is derived from non-English name like Latin word Na. Magnesium symbol is M. The prominent letter is G. First letter is capital letter, second letter is small letter. Aluminium, first letter A, second letter is L. This is the symbol of aluminium. Silicon, first letter is S, second letter is I. This is silicon. After that, phosphorus, P. Whenever first letter you have taken, that is phosphorus. Sulfur, first letter what is S, that is sulfur. Sulfur symbol is that one. Chlorine, first letter is C. Here observe that first letter is C, but you should take the prominent letter L, Cl. Cl stands for chlorine. Argon, Ar is argon. Argon symbol is Ar. After that, potassium. Potassium can be represented as K, because potassium is derived from the very reason calx. That's why we have to take K. After that, calcium. Calcium, what it will be there? First letter is C, second letter is A. Calcium. So these are the symbol of the 1 to 20 elements and their atomic numbers as well as atomic masses. And after that, we will take here from 21 to 30 elements. What the elements are there? The 21 element, scandium, this is atomic number, this is atomic mass or mass number or atomic weight. First element is 21st element is scandium, 22nd element titanium, 23rd element vanadium, 24th element chromium, 25th element manganese, 26th element iron, 27th element cobalt, 28th element nickel, 29th element copper, 30th element is zinc. This is atomic number 21 for scandium, 22 for titanium, 23 for vanadium, 24 atomic number which is having chromium, 25 is manganese, 26 iron, 27 cobalt, 28 nickel, 29 copper, zinc atomic number is 30. All these are atomic numbers. After that, atomic masses. If you take atomic masses, here atomic masses you should take that. What will be there? Scandium atomic mass is 45. Atomic mass is also called mass number or atomic weight. Titanium atomic mass is 48. Vanadium 51 atomic mass or atomic weight. Chromium atomic weight is 52. manganese atomic weight 55, iron atomic weight 56, cobalt atomic mass is 59, nickel atomic mass is 58.7, copper atomic mass is 63.5, zinc, last but not least, zinc atomic mass is 65.3. Here you should take here, and their symbols you should observe that. Scandium, the first letter is S, second letter is C, SC. First letter always should be written in capital letter, second letter always should be written in a small letter. Titanium, first letter is T, second letter is I, TI, titanium. Here first letter V, vanadium. Chromium, you should take that one, first letter is C, but prominent letter has taken, not second letter, prominent letter has taken R, CR, chromium. Manganese, first letter is M, and second letter does not taken, third letter is taken, what is N? Mn stands for manganese. Iron, here there is no F, but I had already told you which iron which is derived from the Latin word, what is? Ferrum. In the ferrum which is derived from the Latin word ferrum, first letter is F, second letter is E, that is the Fe, but English name is iron. After that, cobalt, this is derived from the Latin name cobaltum. Cobaltum, first letter is C, second letter is O, cobaltum. It is derived from the non-English name like Latin word. Nickel, first letter is N, second letter is I. Ni is the symbol, that element name is nickel. Copper, which is derived from the, which one? Latin name, which one? Cuprum. Non-English name, cuprum. In the cuprum, first letter is C, second letter is U. But in the English name of copper, there is no, does not appear the U. If you observe that word, there is no appearance of the letter U. But which is derived from Latin word cuprum, the first letter is C, second letter is U, copper. Zinc, symbol is what will be there? Zn. Zn is symbol of zinc. So this is the data regarding to 1 to 30 elements.